Fry 2 teaspoons of garlic in a tablespoon of butter, and maybe half a tablespoon of oil, and until you get it, nice and brown. As you can see, then you add your the bottle of passata, a tin of tomatoes, and a quarter of a tube of tomato puree, and obviously, salt to taste. It may seem quite a bit of salt, but we're talking about 1 kilo here of the pasta. Bring it to the boil and then simmer it for about 5 minutes or something like that. Add the pasta and give it a good mix, so everything, mixes together. Once all is mixed together on quite low, it doesn't take long at all, just a few minutes, but just mix it all together. Then you transfer it into a Pyrex dish. Now it has to be a deep dish. You cannot do it in a shallow dish. It needs to be covered, in liquid like that. Maybe you can add a bit more than what you see there, or just a bit. It needs to be completely covered. And you put it in the oven, 200 degrees. It takes about an hour, maybe just over. And you need to stir it every half an hour. So take it out, give it a good stir like this, and then put it back in the oven and another 20 minutes. And again, give it a good stir, cover it and taste it, see when the pasta is cooked. And that's your Youvetsi sorted. Very simple, very nice tasting, and you can have it with all sorts then, as you've seen in the pictures.